We finally made it to Warsaw, Poland. It's known as the Phoenix City because it was about 85% burned down and destroyed after World War II. The Royal Castle is here in the Castle Square, actually. It's lunchtime, and we're gonna start with a little onion soup. Now for the main course, we've got some spinach and feta cheese pierogies, and over here we've got some meat in a broth. As with most towns that we visit here in Europe, we usually start off in the old town with a self-guided walking tour, as we're doing today.
This is the Warsaw Barbican, which is one of the last remaining parts of the old city wall.
New town square, and that's the Casimir Church. Almost all of the buildings are just really cool decor on the outside, or carvings. After having walked from the new town square, we're now at the old town square. The buildings are very ornate with the decor on the outside, whether it's painted or embossed or engraved. One of the three major cathedrals here in Warsaw is this church, which is the St. John's. The north end, this is called the Royal Way.
The Carmelite Church is one of the few churches here in Poland that survived World War II, and it also has the distinction of being the first concert that was given by Chopin on the organ.
Presidential Palace. Large plaza here at the gates of the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier. A beautiful park and fountain just beyond the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier. A Baroque church, the Church of the Visitation. Took about 100 years to build it.
Entrance to the Polish University.
Along this royal way is a monument to Nicholas Copernicus. Of course, no trip would be complete without stopping at the local market for fresh fruits and produce. This is one of the few palaces that survived both World War I and World War II. The palace's gardens here at the side. Just in back of the garden here is a big pond. Looks like it's covered in moss. The town has many green spaces and lots of parks, and this is the main park here in the city, the Lazienki, or that's what we're calling it.
If you're trying to guess who has the pigeon food, I think it will be very difficult.
Here at the park, there's the white pavilion.
Ja, das war dasselbe.
At the very top of the park, you'll find Chopin's monument. It's him sitting under a broken willow tree. Just a quick side stop here at the Dolny Gorge.